Exercise number 3 is with a kettlebell, and we're going to be going around the body. So this is known as around the world. We're going to add a progression into it as well. But this exercise, again, it's an anti sort of rotation, anti-movement. So we're trying to keep the body nice and solid and let the arms do the work. So that's kind of like the first part to it. Now, the other part to it is as we pass it round, muscle activation follows it round. So as I'm here, it's more at the front. As I'm here, it's more at the side. As I'm here, it's more this side. So it follows it round. So again, we're building the side, or we're building the lateral musculature. Now, what's important here is the lats are also working. Because we're holding, you can feel lats pulling round. As it comes round, you can feel the lats work. Because the weight, the lats is controlling the arm and holding the weight in place. So we're passing it round. Again, you should be able to feel pecs and lats working. So again, if we can get the lats working, that's going to support internal and external obliques and the QL. So what we're trying to do is build all the way around the torso. What we can then do is add another little element to it, and we can add in a little bit of a sort of a throw and a catch, if you will. So we start at the back, we come up to the shoulder. Now again, when we catch it at the top, we get a little bit of an extra activation at the top here. So we'll get it in the shoulder, we'll get it in the arm, and we'll get it in the torso. So it comes around and up, down, around, and up. So we get the moving tension as the weight moves, and we get the little pulse at the top and at the bottom of the movement to control the weight. Pulse, 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 pulse. So we get a bit of that as well. Now again, as I mentioned, it is working all the way around. So this is literally 360 degrees because it's going around the torso. So you've got just the normal round the world, and there are a couple of variations of it. So where you've seen it goes around, what you can also do as it comes around, you would also obviously go the other way. So you've got all the muscles working when you want them. What you've then got is the alternating. So it comes around and you go back. So again, you get an extra pulse as you get to the front to pull it back round. So it's pulse, 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 and that goes into lats, that will go into shoulders, that will go into pecs, that will go into the obliques. You will also get a little bit from the legs as well, because as it's round here, a little bit extra through this leg, as it's round here, a little bit extra through this leg. That's going a little bit, again, further away than this tutorial is for, but it is a kind of whole body exercise, but we want to be building these lateral parts of the musculature. So around the world with a catch is all going to be what you need it to be able to do.